Oh, I'm gonna do a fucking third age cloak stake right here. I can't believe I'm gonna do this. Can't use 200 weapons. Cannot use prayer, cannot use food, cannot use drinks, cannot use special attacks, cannot use magic, cannot use range, cannot move, cannot forfeit. Alright, I'm down for this. It's 1.2 bill, I think. 200 mil, 1.2 bill. Alright, we're going in, we're going in. If this guy accepts, we're going in. Oh, he declined. Okay. Ugh, I was about to get a little bit nervous there. Hey guys, this is me talking in the future, like right now, kind of thing. And I just wanted to say, like, after I bought my third age cloak, I ended up going on some kind of rage stake spree that you're about to see. And you don't have to worry about like me being in a bad mood or anything. I ended up doing pretty well and stuff, and I ended up being happy with my decision and stuff. And this is how much I ended up selling my third age cloak for. I don't know if you guys could see that well, but I'll just leave it there so you guys could check. 750 mil pretty much. And I ended up losing a shitload of money on this buy too, because I don't know if I should do this, but uh, the cloak went up to 1.2 bill nowadays. If you check the graphs now on rsbuddy.com, the cloak went up like a shitload. And so did the sword. The sword went up to 900 mil, I think. So, yeah, I don't really mind losing money. Like, I didn't know it was going to go up or anything, but I think it just went down because of Big Mo. And, like, all the Big Mo hype just made all the third age items crash, I guess. I should have, like, invested in some kind of third age item. I'm not sure. But yeah, all in all, I'm happy with my decision, and I'm happy I staked and stuff, and I'm happy that I made this series in the first place, because people are actually starting to enjoy my videos now. So hopefully I could keep making a bunch for you guys, and I hope you guys like the stakes. I kind of panicked on like a couple of the stakes because I DC'd and I was down a lot of money, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. Alright guys, we're gonna do a final YOLO because of all the fucking money I lost. Um, I don't know, I just feel like doing it. Even if I lose, that's okay. Money comes and goes. I don't know why I keep staking, but like, fuck. When shit happens, I just feel like staking. And this is my friend's account. I don't trust my account to win right now, so I'm just gonna do it on mine. Hopefully we win. I mean, on his, I mean, not mine. I think this guy's trying to scam me if he's like, oh, okay, whatever. Okay, so I guess I'll pause the video until I find a fight. Alright, looks like we got a fight, I think. This guy's doing 300 mil. That's not enough. That won't satisfy me. Alright, I'll just pause the video. Alright, we're gonna do this. 400 mil. And cannot forfeit the duel. 200 weapons. No movement, range, magic attack, special attacks, drinks, food, prayer. Everything looks good. We're going in. We're going in. Fuck it. Oh, I'm so nervous about this. Please don't turn into an egg. Please win. Please win. Account, please win. It's not my account, but I hope it wins. Come on, please win, Cathersis. Please fucking win a fight for me. Please win a fight. Okay, this is 400 mil bet. Come on. He, fuck, it's not over yet. Come on, please fucking win. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck. 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 Oh my god. Fuck. Ah, fucking catharsis. At least I didn't do the whole 500. Oh my god. Fucking catharsis always fails me. Oh my god. I'm gonna try doing this twice. Same amount twice. Oh fuck. That fucking sucks dick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck. That was the biggest loss I've taken in a long time. Holy shit. Oh, okay, I'll pause the video for now. We'll see what happens next, I guess. Okay, we're facing the same guy again. No shields. Cannot use prayer. Cannot use food. No drink. Special tax. Oh, fuck. I hope this works. Please work. Come on, please work. You're catching up. I think we got this. Okay, we made some of our money back. I'm gonna do one more fight. And that's it. Alright guys, we're going in, same person again, 368 now. Oh fuck, I'm kinda nervous about this. This will be the last fight for sure. We're either gonna leave up cleaned, or they're gonna leave up, or we're gonna be clean today, I think. If we lose this, we're going in again. Okay, everything looks good. Prior to drinks, food, special tax range, movement. 368 mil. Alright, it's 368 mil. Everything looks good. Fuck, please win this. Just one more. All we need is one more. This account's so fucking bad at Duel Arena. This account's so fucking bad, I swear to God. Please get a comeback. Please get a comeback, Catharsis. Please get a comeback. Please get a comeback. Come on, hit. Hit, just one more, please. Oh my god. Oh my god, fuck. Alright. We're gonna do two more, then we'll see what happens from there. Oh my god, this is so fucking stupid. We're gonna try the same person. Ugh, fuck. I can't believe I'm staking all my winnings and stuff. Everything looks good. Okay, we're going in. Please win. Please fucking win. Please win just two in a row. Come on. Just two in a row. That's all we need. Oh, this account's so fucking bad. I swear to God. This account's so fucking bad. Should have just staked on my account. And we're fucking lagging out. Oh my god. Please fucking kill her. Please fucking kill her. Oh my god. Oh, I think we lost. Oh my god. I guess we're gonna have to find out on login, I guess. Oh, we fucking won the stake. We fucking won the stake. Alright, we're still gonna do one more. Okay, this is the last one right here. This is the last one. Okay, this is the last one for sure. I have to leave with a profit or nothing. We're hitting good. We're hitting really good. I just hope they don't hit back. Oh shit, that's not good. Come on, just one more. Yes, we won. We fucking won. That was a 300 mil. Oh, I could buy my Ellie back. Shit. Oh, fuck. This fucking shit scares the fuck out of me sometimes. Alright, well, that's it for now, guys. I'm fucking done at the duel arena. Yeah, take care, guys. I'm in a good mood again. Really good mood, because I won. I think I was up when I came here at 750 mil, so let's see how much I made. Oh, oops, that's the wrong way. 964 minus 750. 200. I made 200 mil just now. That's really good. Really, really good. I'm just gonna transfer it over to my main actually. Take care, guys. Stay tuned. Sorry I fucking yell around. This is fucking hardcore stakes. I never thought I'd get like this. Fuck. It's because I'm staking like shit that I fucking want, like that belongs to me now. So I get fucking pissed when I fucking lose. But if it's like money I earned, it's not too bad. Oh fuck. I'm I'm getting fucking crazy when it comes to staking though. I swear to God. But yeah, thanks for watching and, and staying with me this long. If you've been watching my videos,